Having reliable electricity is important to the health and safety of every home. At Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical, it's our job to make sure your home's electrical system is running at peak performance. That's why we're offering a free home inspection of your electrical system, which includes a check of your breakers, panel, grounding, outlets, and lighting, all to ensure your system is running safely. Call Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical for your free inspection today.